Alright, so just 2011 totally certified Panini NFL trading cards. I bought last year's model just because they still don't have this year, so let's get right to it. Dull knife. Have to do this the hard way. So I think it comes with 3 autos and 3 memorabilia cards. So there's the checklist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. And yeah, nothing else in the box. So let's get down to business. One red, 2 reds, and the first memorabilia card, Irving Frere, numbered out of 249, number 8. Then there we go. Pack number 1. Steven Jackson, ooh, a blue. That's numbered out of 50. Number 16 out of 50. Then who do we have here? Piece of the game. Jacoby Ford. And this is numbered out of 49. Number 22 out of 49. There we go. And then Mr. Drew Brees. Sorry for that I keep bumping into the camera. There we go. Darius Moore. Week 10 winner. Rookie card. Alright, and a redemption for a freshman fabric signature blue. Alright. Sounds good. Then a couple more reds. Larry Fitzgerald, oh, not too bad. What do we have here? Heritage Collection. Paul Warfield. What is this numbered out of? 249, number 13 out of 249. Not too bad. And then Mr. Frank Gore, my favorite team, the 49ers. Right on. 2 more packs to go. Still no autos. But 1 redemption and 3 mem cards. So Matt Hasselbeck. Ooh, blue. Out of how many? Out of 249, number 73 out of 249. There we go. Matt Hasselbeck. Aaron Rodgers and Ray Lewis. Last pack. Let's see what we get here. Chris Johnson, Jonathan Stewart, Mike Wallace, numbered out of 15, autographed. I like it. It's a sticker autograph, but that is very cool looking card. So 11 out of 15, not too bad. Just a dud. Then somebody from the Buccaneers, Dallas Clark. So 1 auto, 4 mems, and 1 redemption card. So right on. So thank you, and see you guys for the next box break.